Hello guys, in this new video, I'm gonna teach you two English verbs which always put people and everybody in the massive fix. Without doubt, I'm mentioning about two English verbs. First is lay and second is lie. But what is difference between these two verbs? There are two differences between these two verbs, but most of the people know the first difference, but thousands of the people don't know the second difference. And second difference is the most essential difference. And if we discuss the first difference of these verbs, when you are using lay in English language, then you will need an object. Without any object you cannot use it. And second, and on the other hand, if we just talk about lie in English language, when you are using it anywhere in English, you will not need any object. Without object you will have to use it. And second difference is fewer people know the second form and third form of these verbs, but a lot of people don't know the second form and third form of these verbs except first form. That's why the second rule says that the second form and third form of lay are same, but the second form and third form of lie are extremely different. And that is where people get confused a lot while recognizing. And the second form and third form of lay are laid and laid, but on the other hand, the second form and third form of lie are lay and lain. And the second form of lie and the first form of lay are same. That's why they get confused, because when they find the second form of lie anywhere in English language, like in any magazine, poetry reading and story reading, they consider it as a first form of lay. And on the other hand, when they find the first form of lay anywhere in English language, they consider it as a second form of lie. And the second thing is, if we know the uses of these verbs, these are easy as compared to the differences. And let's talk about the uses of these verbs. If we move to the rules of these verbs, these rules say that if you put something down, where you have to use lay. And on the other hand, when you rest somewhere in a flat position, where you have to use lie. And let's have some examples. I lay the baby on the bed. Please lay your phone on the table. In these sentences you will get to see object. I want to lie on the bed. Don't lie on the floor. In these sentences you will not get to see an object.